Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we will discuss how you open and save your workbook after you created it. First, we have to insert our cross tab, which is inserted here, and now we can save the workbook to our system. So we click on File, Analysis, and then on Save Workbook. Depending on which system you are using, you can choose between a Business Objects BI platform and an SAP Business Warehouse. So we select the SAP Business Warehouse in my case. Now we can save our workbook to My Documents or to a specific role. In my case, we use the My Documents folder. First, we have to give it a technical name and a description. And so business category overview, and the description will be also business category overview. You click on save and the workbook will be saved to our system. You can see now, here's a message that the system saved our workbook. Click on close, and now we just close our Excel workbook. And now we want to open our workbook again. So we choose File, click on Analysis, and click on the Open Workbook button. If you are lucky, your workbook is in the recent list, or you have to choose one of your systems depending where you saved your workbook. So we choose Open Workbook from SAP Business Warehouse platform. Now we can open our document. We can either search here, we can use the My Documents tab, or a specific role or environments. In my case, just we want to search for it. With the asterisk, you can search for all workbooks which are in the system, which can take a while if you have many workbooks in your system. So we search for business, and you can see here, this is our business category overview. When you double click or click on OK, the workbook will be opened. So you see, it's very easy to save your workbook and to open it again. You can also use, if you have a connection to your system, the little save button here from Excel to save your workbook again, and the dialog here shows the workbook was saved. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.